Hi, I'm Imani Bethel, and in this director's commentary, I'm going to explain how we integrated technologies, including hardware, software, and digital tools, while producing our opener film, The Perfect Date. One way we integrated technology in this project was through the use of hardware during the filming process. At the beginning of our production, we initially filmed some shots using an iPhone 13. However, as the project developed, we decided to switch to more professional equipment that we acquired from Beacon, including a Canon camera and a microphone to capture clear audio. In some scenes, we also used a tripod to help keep the camera stable. Although the iPhone 13 allowed us to start filming way quicker and was convenient to use, it didn't fully capture the lighting and tone that we wanted for our thriller narrative. Creating a suspenseful atmosphere requires careful control of lighting and framing. And the iPhone camera made it more difficult to achieve the more darker, dramatic visual tone that we were aiming for. It was also challenging to film certain scenes, particularly the montage scene where each character is picking up makeup, without the footage appearing shaky. Switching to the professional camera and the tripod helped us create a more stable shots and improve the overall visual quality of the film. The camera also allowed us to experiment more efficiently with camera techniques, such as close-up shots, controlled camera angles, which helped us communicate emotional and tension in the narrative. A similar use of cinematography to create a psychological tension can also be seen in the film Dead Ringers, 1988, where close-up shots and careful framing emphasize emotional intensity between characters. In our film opener, we also use close-up shots to highlight emotion and to build suspense for the audience. The microphone also improved our sound design, which is important in thriller films because the sound also helps create suspense and dramatic tension. Another important way we use technology was through the use of editing software during the post-production stage. To edit our film opener, we used the software CapCut, which allowed us to trim clips, arrange scenes, and add transitions. Using editing software helped us control the pacing and the structure of the narrative, which is also an important part of media language. By adjusting the timing of our cuts, we are able to build suspense and create dramatic tension that is typically seen of the thriller genre. We also integrated technology through the use of sound layering, and editing and audio editing. In CapCut, we were able to overlay our song, Be My Baby by the Ronettes, and of course, some eerie sound effects on top of our footage. This helped us create a strong soundscape which improved the overall atmosphere of the film. Sound layering allowed us to emphasize important moments and increase the emotional impact of certain scenes, helping the audience feel more tension and engagement. Technology also allowed us to improve the visual consistency of our film during editing. While editing our footage, we were able to adjust elements such as timing, clip order, and brightness levels within the software. These adjustments help the scenes flow more smoothly and ensure that the narrative is developed clearly. This demonstrates how post-production technology plays an important role in shaping the final media product. Another way we integrated technology was through the use of digital communication during production process. For example, we used our phones to communicate with each other and coordinate when and where we would film certain scenes. This helped our group stay organized and ensure that everyone understood their role during filming. Using digital communication tools made it way easier to plan our production schedule and work together efficiently. Our use of technology also helped shape how the film Our use of technology also helped shape how the audience interprets the film. Through our use of cinematography, editing, sound design, we carefully constructed scenes to create suspense and emotional tension. This connects to Stuart Hall reception theory, which suggests that media producers encode meaning into a media text that audiences later decode in different ways. In our film opener, we encode suspense through our use of camera angles and shots, editing pace, and sound design so that the audience interprets the scene as tension and mysterious. Overall, technology played a major role in helping us create our film opener. We used hardware such as cameras, microphones, and a tripod, software like CapCut, and digital communication tools such as WhatsApp throughout throughout the production process. By combining these technologies, we were able to apply key elements which improved our opener, like cinematography, editing, and sound design, to create a film opener that efficiently builds suspense and engages with the audience. Bye!